Let's work now on the do now. You are asked here to classify the following equations as linear or quadratic equation. Number one, you are given here 2x plus 5 equals 9. I would say that this one is a linear equation. Number two, 5x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals negative 15. This one is a quadratic equation. Now, between these two nouns, we have number one is linear and the number two is quadratic. I would say this is linear because the exponent here is actually equal to 1. And the term I'm looking here to make this a quadratic equation is the highest exponent here is 2. So when that happens, that is a quadratic equation. For number 3, so you have here negative 2 times 3x plus 7 minus 6x plus 3 equals 12. Now here, the exponents here of the variable is just equal to 1. Even if I simplify negative 2 and 3x and combine this one, I will still have an exponent 1. So I would say that this one is also a linear equation. Linear. So this one is also a linear equation. Number 4, see here, I see 1. 1 will multiply this, that would still be a linear equation. Because negative 3 times 5 is negative 15y. You combine that with 6, 6y, that will still be will have an exponent equal to 1. So this one is a linear equation as well. Then for number 5, when you have here squared, it means you're multiplying this by itself. Then you have now 2x times 2x, that becomes 4x squared. So that becomes a quadratic equation. Okay, number 6 is also a quadratic equation. Now, as you see here that the exponent here is 1, 1. But please remember that this one, you are multiplying this one. So which means if I'm going to multiply the first terms to x times 2x, that gives you 2x squared, in which this term now has a square exponent that makes it a quadratic equation. Now, let's answer now the think, write, and share one. So when can you say that the given equation is linear? Now, based on the examples here, so I would say that the exponents are equal to 1. So I would say when the exponent of the variable is equal to 1. Now the second question, when can you say that the given equation is quadratic equation? So here you can see that when you see a square exponent or 2, that makes it a quadratic equation. So when the exponent of the variable is equal to 2, the highest exponent. Okay, let's now make an inference. What is the general form of the equation of a linear equation? So I would say 0 equals ax plus b, where a, b are real numbers. So that will be the general form. And for the quadratic equation, so this is linear, it would be 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So you see here we have the square term that makes it a quadratic equations. And A, B, C are real numbers. We're talking about general forms here. Okay, that's it.